Hi everyone, it's Vanessa Allen from IELTS Prep, and today I'd like to talk to you about linking. When it comes to speaking, it's very important that you know how to link your sounds together because it's very natural. Native speakers do it all the time. If you don't have good linking, then your words can sound very broken, your sentences can sound very broken, because you're saying each individual word separately. And that's not how native speakers speak all the time. It is very, very common, and it is part of the pronunciation features that you have to show off in your speaking exam. Now, there are a couple of different ways that we link our words together, and one of them is when we have a vowel and a consonant. We link them together. So when the first word ends in a consonant sound, and then the second word begins with a vowel sound, we link them together. So where it sounds like we're saying one word. I'll give you an example. If we have the word is a, the two words is a. So something is a good thing, okay? Eating ice cream is a good thing in my books. Instead of saying is a, we're going to say is a. And a here is used in the weak form. Instead of saying a, we say a. Is a. Is a. It's one word. So eating ice cream is a good thing. Is a good thing. Another example, I have a headache. Have a. Have a. The last sound that I hear is the v sound in the word have. The next word is a, which is a vowel. So again, I'm going to connect it. Have a. I have a. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a great job. I have a great job. I have a small flat. Unfortunately, I have a small flat. My house is in a quiet neighborhood. My house is in a quiet neighborhood. So they are some examples of how we link from consonant to vowel. We can also link consonant to consonant if they are the same letters. So for example, if the first word ends in a T and the second word starts with a T, or the next word starts with a T, then you are going to link the two together. Only pronounce one T. So in the example sentence, I have a lot to do. I have a lot to do. Lot to. I'm connecting them and I'm only pronouncing one T. I have a lot to do. Notice the have a, I have a lot to do. I usually have good dreams. Again, I'm only pronouncing one D. Good dreams. There's only one D there. I usually have good dreams. Good dreams. Good dreams. I can't stress how important linking is. If you want to sound like a native, if you want to score well for pronunciation in your exam, then linking is one of the features that you need to be using. Even if you don't use it throughout, you still need to be showing it and using it as much as you possibly can, because this is how natives speak. We use linking all the time. So in your preparation, please focus on your linking of sounds. A way that you can do it is by reading. If you get a text and then just join the letters that you're going to link together, put a little smile under them so that you can actually see and practice that. And then say it out loud, of course. So please practice it. I hope that helps. See you next time.